Hello, it is strawberry jam day. We picked a whole lot of wonderful strawberries at an orchard that we really like to go to. And now I'm making massive quantities of jam. Keynote, you do not have to can for the apocalypse just because I do. Most people like to can small quantities, and that is totally okay. I like to can for the apocalypse because, well, I'm weird that way. It's kind of all tied into my self-esteem and self-worth. So, you know, it's a thing. So there will be 3, maybe 4 separate videos. Yeah, we'll do 4. 4 separate videos so that you can just watch the one you want to. You can watch Perfect Strawberry. There should be a card up there. So you can tap that and go to that recipe and that process. There will be Strawberry Jam Buoy, which is a lovely kind of grown-up strawberry jam that has drambuie in it. And then there will be strawberry vanilla roasted rhubarb. Again, card should be up there somewhere. And the last thing will be a strawberry sauce, great for putting on top of ice cream, cheesecake, or in yogurt. Any of these actually go great in yogurt. So just go ahead and click the one that you want to see the video that you want. Have fun!